Ever spent hours drowning in a sea of receipts? Traveled for work and come back with a wallet lighter than your mood? We've all been there. Expense reports, the bane of many a busy professional's existence. But what if there was a way to streamline the process? Enter Expensify, the expense report app that promises to make expense tracking a breeze. It lets you capture receipts, categorize spending, and even submit reports electronically. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, there's one question that often pops up. Can you connect your bank account to Expensify? The answer, like most things in life, is, it depends. Let's dive into the world of Expensify bank account connections and see if it's the perfect fit for your expense report woes. Types of bank accounts and Expensify. First things first, Expensify offers two options for connecting a bank account: deposit-only and full access. Deposit-only accounts, as the name suggests, allow you to funnel reimbursements directly into Expensify. This is a great option if your company uses Expensify for reimbursements but doesn't require direct expense tracking through the platform. Full access accounts, on the other hand, give Expensify the ability to see your entire account activity. This allows for automatic expense categorization and simplifies report creation. However, it's important to note that not everyone is comfortable with this level of access. Connecting your bank account, a step-by-step guide. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, how to actually connect your bank account. Here's a breakdown for both deposit-only and full access. Deposit-only. Log into your Expensify account. Head over to Settings and then navigate to Accounts and Payments. Look for the Add Deposit-Only Bank Account button and click it. You will be presented with two options: connect through your bank login or enter your account information manually. If you choose the online login method, Expensify uses a secure service called Plaid to connect with your bank. Just search for your bank, enter your login credentials, and voila! Your account is connected. Manual connection involves entering your bank account details directly into Expensify. Once you fill in the information, you're good to go. Full access. Note, this option might not be available for all Expensify plans. The initial steps are similar to deposit-only accounts. However, after connecting your bank, Expensify might need some additional verification to ensure it's truly your account. This could involve small test deposits or additional information requests. Security concerns? We got you covered. Security is obviously a major concern when it comes to connecting your bank account to any app. Expensify utilizes industry-standard security protocols to keep your information safe. Additionally, the Plaid service used for online logins is a reputable third party with a strong track record of data security. Should you connect your bank account? The decision ultimately boils down to your personal comfort level and your company's Expensify setup. If you're simply looking for a streamlined way to receive reimbursements, a deposit-only connection might be all you need. But if you're constantly on the go and want the convenience of automatic expense tracking, a full access connection could be a game changer. Bonus tip: always check with your company's Expensify policy before connecting your bank account. Some organizations might have specific guidelines for what type of connections are allowed. Expensify and bank accounts, the final verdict. Expensify offers a flexible approach to bank account connections, catering to both the security-conscious and the time-saving individual. Whether you choose deposit-only or full access, remember, the key is to find a system that works best for you and streamlines the often-dreaded expense report process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy expense tracking.